I'm going to show you in this video how to claim your gas airdrop and then transfer to either Bybit or Bitget. So Grass is currently listed on two exchanges that I know of, Bitget and Bybit, and I'm going to show you what the price looks like on Bitget. Let me open up my Bitget exchange. Once it opens up, you can see this is how the interface looks like. And in this search section, you can see Grass/USDT. That is because it is currently the latest airdrop listed on Bitget. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Grass and let's see what the listing price looks like. All right, you can see this is Grass and it is currently trading at 0.6465. It is fluctuating. So it was listed at something around 1 USDT, that is $1. But as at the time of making this video, it has dropped down to 0.06. So I got into it at around 0.08, but now it has dropped. So this is how it is, and you can, after claiming, after withdrawing, you can transfer from your wallet to your Bitget or to Bybit. Let me show you how it is in Bybit. So open up my Bybit account and you can see it is similar. Grass is still in the search icon because it is currently the latest airdrop listed on this exchange. So I'll go ahead and search for Grass and you can see it is trading here at 0.67 at around same price, and it was listed on Bybit at 0.9. So which means Bitget had a higher listing price than Bybit, and you can either buy or sell on this page. If you want to trade your airdrop, you can trade it on Bybit or Bitget, or you can also sell to a vendor that you trust. Now, let me show you how to claim. For you to be able to claim your grass, you need to have two things. One, the link. Look at the link that you're going to be using to claim on the claim page. And the second thing you need is gas fee. Make sure you have minimum of $1, or you can also have less than that, but to be on the better side, have minimum of $1 worth of Solana on your wallet. Now, I'm going to be completing the whole steps in my Phantom wallet, and the reason is because I connected my Phantom wallet inside my Mrs. browser to my Grass airdrop. If you connected your Soulflare or any other Solana wallet, use that one. But it is easier doing it inside the wallet. That is why I'm opening up my Solana. If you imported your Phantom to your Mrs., you can also complete the steps in your Mrs. browser, but these steps is simpler. Once your Phantom wallet opens up, you go to the D apps, that is the browser section. Look at it is the last option at the bottom right of your screen. You go to this page, and this is where you're going to paste in the link that you have copied. If you need this link, you can copy it from my Telegram channel, and the link is going to be in the description box of this video. But if you have it already, it is good. All you simply have to do is open this link up and wait for it to load. Kindly note that network is congested on this, so you need your internet to be very strong, and if it does not opens up quickly, you have to be patient because a lot of people are trying to claim their airdrop now so that you can sell it as fast as possible. Now, this is the page here. The first thing you want to do is to check your eligibility by clicking on that button. Then it is going to ask you to connect wallet. As you can see, mine is connected because I'm using my Phantom. And check eligibility. You can see this is the amount of tokens I can claim, 6.11. So it's pretty easy. You scroll up, click on that claim airdrop, and then this is their terms and conditions. You can decide to take your time to read this. I do not have the luxury of time to read this. I'll just go ahead and sign it, even though I don't know if I'm signing my death warrant or whatever. But then that is by the way. So you scroll up and you make sure you accept this. That is the only way to go forward. On this page, you take your time and wait for the next page to display. That is the page you're going to use to claim. So you can see this is it. And you wait for this whole thing to load up. There's some information that should display here for you to be able to confirm the transaction, and then you'll be able to proceed. And here is the information here. This is where your gas fee comes in. And you can see the gas fee, the Solana they're charging is very little, but make sure you have minimum of $1 worth of Solana on your wallet. And all you want to do now is to click on this confirm. And like I said, make sure your network or your internet is very strong for this process to work. So once you click on it, you wait and exercise patience. So you can see claiming airdrop, and I scroll up, you can see it loading. So we wait for it to complete loading, but I'm going to skip. I'm going to forward for the sake of the length of this video. So you can see I got an error message and they say timed out, waiting for confirmation on transaction thereabout. Like I said, this site is currently congested. A lot of people are trying to claim their coins, so you might try and it might not work. All you simply have to do is try and keep trying again. Like, I'm gonna try again on this page. I'm not sure it's going to work because I've tried this several before doing this video, but this is just the basic way in which you can claim this coin. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a new video, and with a link in the description box, join my WhatsApp or Telegram channel.